Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest updates on the most exciting vehicles coming your way. Today we are diving deep into the highly anticipated Honda Civic 2026, exploring its specs, features and everything that makes this car a standout in its segment. The Honda Civic has been a fan favorite for decades, known for its reliability, fuel efficiency and stylish design. The 2026 model builds on this legacy, bringing in new improvements in performance, technology and safety. The exterior design of the Honda Civic 2026 maintains its sporty and aerodynamic appeal with a refreshed front grille, sleeker LED headlights and a more aggressive bumper design. The alloy wheels have been upgraded to provide a more premium look while maintaining excellent road grip. The aerodynamic body lines improve efficiency and contribute to a more dynamic road presence. Under the hood, the Honda Civic 2026 offers multiple engine options catering to different driving preferences. The base model is expected to come with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 160 horsepower, ensuring a balance between performance and fuel efficiency. For those looking for more power, a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine is available, generating approximately 190 horsepower, delivering a thrilling driving experience. Honda has also hinted at a hybrid variant which will further enhance fuel economy while reducing carbon emissions. The transmission options include a refined CVT that ensures smooth power delivery and improved fuel efficiency. The handling remains sharp and responsive thanks to Honda's well-tuned suspension system, providing a comfortable yet engaging ride. The steering system has also been enhanced to offer better feedback, making city driving and highway cruising equally enjoyable. Inside the cabin, the Honda Civic 2026 boasts a modern and driver-centric design with high-quality materials used throughout. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster providing real-time vehicle information with clarity. The infotainment system is upgraded to a larger high-resolution touchscreen supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Wireless charging, USB-C ports and an upgraded premium sound system are also available to enhance the overall driving experience. Comfort has been given a major boost with well-cushioned seats featuring better lumbar support. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making long journeys comfortable for passengers. Climate control has been improved with dual-zone automatic settings, ensuring that both the driver and passengers enjoy personalized temperature settings. The noise insulation has also been enhanced to provide a quieter and more refined cabin experience. When it comes to safety, Honda continues to prioritize driver and passenger protection with the latest iteration of Honda sensing technology. The Civic 2026 is equipped with an advanced suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, braking and blind spot monitoring. The car also comes with multiple airbags, a reinforced body structure and an improved traction control system, ensuring maximum safety on the road. The Honda Civic 2026 is also expected to offer semi-autonomous driving features, making highway driving less stressful. Parking has been made easier with a 360-degree camera system and automated parking assist, ensuring precision when maneuvering into tight spaces. Another significant highlight is the fuel efficiency, which remains one of the strong suits of the Honda Civic. The new model is expected to offer an improved miles per gallon rating, making it one of the most fuel-efficient sedans in its class. The hybrid variant, if introduced, will further extend the range per fuel tank, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize sustainability and cost savings. The trunk space remains generous, providing ample room for luggage and daily essentials. The foldable rear seats add to the practicality, allowing users to expand storage space when needed. Honda has also introduced smart connectivity features, enabling owners to control certain functions of the car via a mobile app, such as remote start, climate control settings and vehicle diagnostics. For those looking for a sportier version, the Civic C and Type R models are expected to push the boundaries with enhanced performance features, aggressive styling and track-focused capabilities. These variants will cater to enthusiasts who seek more power, dynamic handling and an adrenaline-filled driving experience. Honda continues to refine its vehicles with customer feedback, ensuring that the Civic 2026 meets the expectations of modern drivers. Whether you are looking for a daily commuter, a stylish sedan or a performance-driven machine, this new model has something to offer for everyone. The blend of technology, comfort, safety and efficiency makes the Honda Civic 2026 a top contender in the compact sedan segment. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest cars and automotive news, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring more exciting content. Stay tuned for more videos and let us know your thoughts about the Honda Civic 2026 in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video. I've written a detailed script for your YouTube video on the Honda Civic 2026, covering its specs, features, and ending with a call to subscribe to your channel. Let me know if you'd like any changes or additions.